The Israeli army killed Hind Rajab, killed her family, killed the two paramedics who came to save her, with the complicity of the world's most powerful government and institution. I refuse to let their death become a backdrop for a polite speech about peace, not while the structure that enabled them remain untouched. So tonight, I will not take this award home. I leave it here as a reminder. And when peace is pursued as legal and moral obligation, rooted in accountability for genocide, then I will come back and accept it with joy.